Okay, so I brought my camera with me, and I dropped it somewhere, but I'm up at 2,200 feet in wave, and I've got Chukar up here with me. He's off to the north a few miles. We're cruising in some wave. I'm in the L-33 solo. That's the variometer telling you how fast I'm going up. And man, the weather's beautiful, above the clouds. This is awesome. I can't find my camera. I may have to take a couple pictures, see if I can see it somewhere. So I'm on my phone, but here's what I'm seeing. Thought I hit the volume, the off button. But that's what I'm seeing. Pretty nice. Pyramid Lake. Chukar is out there somewhere. I saw him earlier. Oh, here he is. He's right off that nose, just in front of the yaw string right now. He's up high. I'm under a cloud, and this is just way fun. Okay. All right.
Okay, skimmer, you have the lead. Circle 360 left.
Roger. You want to try heading south?
No, I want to go north. I don't think south looks good. Let's go north, but let's just get a little more altitude.
Roger. Let's go catch up to him. Okay, I gotta slow down. Okay, 14,500, got the oxygen on, and I am in the wave. That's Stead out there, down below that cloud by that lake. Stead Airfield. I'm in the wave. Cruising. Chukar is somewhere over that way. He's trying to head further into the Sierra Mountains to try finding the primary. Over and out. Nice thing under my nose.
45 for Chukar. I'll be entering left downwind for runway 16.
Okay. Here's how you keep up with somebody who's slower and less performance. Just keep on S-turning behind them. Not only is it fun, but you can keep up with them this way. So I'm just going to keep on S-turning behind him. That is cool. Just keep on S-turning. He'll keep flying straight. This keeps me right behind him. See, I'm catching up to him, so I'm going to turn a little more aggressive. There we go. And just keep S-turning back and forth. So now I don't have to keep working the spoilers, which is really boring and challenging. And S-turning behind somebody is much, much easier. It's fun. Whee! Okay, so there's the Peterson Range down below us, and 7990 is straight ahead. And there's my flying partner. Yay! Over and out.